Derek LaFever. I work for Fox Architects. Offices are based out of the Washington metropolitan area. I've been here 10 years. I am an associate here at Fox and the IT director at Fox. See, the end of 2012, the partners at Fox came to me with a problem that they needed solved. They decided they wanted a new office space here in our Virginia office, and they wanted the capability of being able to sit wherever you wanted to sit, work with whatever team you wanted to work with. They planned on setting up lab areas, common areas, conference rooms with large screens, and they wanted the users to have the ability to basically go wherever they wanted to go throughout the day and sit and do their job. So our first stab at this was to go with a vendor that we've already used in the past for other projects. We went down the road of using some expensive servers and software to try to do what BIM9 showed me that they were capable of doing a few years back. After about 9 months going down that road and pulling our hair out, we realized that that solution was not going to work for the design software that we were using. It just didn't give us the performance that we needed. If we were just using the standard Office suite, it would have been more than adequate. But most of the vendors I found out there, including some of the higher profile vendors, did not understand what was needed to get the performance we needed. So then after 9 months of spinning my wheels, I pulled the plug, gave BIM9 a call. Within a month, we were up and running and never looked back. So once we brought BIM9 in, we went ahead and started with a small server with 5 users, did a test run. I put 5 of my more Revit or design intensive architects and designers on the server. I wanted to push it to its limits. They loved it. It worked great. We worked out a few bugs here and there, nothing major. Shortly after that, I had everybody in the office coming to me asking me what these guys were working on, what are they using, how are they so flexible and able to work from home, work from a client's office, and basically work from anywhere in the office. So we quickly purchased 2 more servers, got an additional 10 users to a total of 15. At that point, we decided to take it a step further, and rather than using a small thin client or of some sort, we decided to go with tablets and docking stations. Again, after a few tweaks and some help from BIM9, troubleshooting some issues I had, we've worked through those. Everyone now is currently working off a tablet with a docking station. They can literally take their tablet, walk out the door, and continue to work on Revit as long as they have a Wi-Fi connection. Go to a client meeting, sit in front of the client and bring up a drawing right in front of them and pan around and show them more or less where they're at in their project, and make some small changes, and then come back and dock their tablet and continue to work. We did not purchase any high-end tablets. We purchased literally the cheapest tablet I could find that had a docking station. For cost reasons, we wanted to keep the cost down, and honestly, the tablet, as we all know, is not where the performance is. It's the server. So it's worked out great for us, and everybody's been able to be more flexible. But ultimately, what we ended up with after just a few days of setup with BIM9 was a solution that basically achieves everything that we were looking for and more, and has actually opened up some new ideas down the road. We have some users now that are considering relocating to other parts of the state, and rather than wish them well and try to replace them, we're actually considering just keeping them on board and having them work virtually. So it's been a blessing for the company. We're very pleased with BIM9. We plan on buying more equipment, more services from BIM9 in the future, and recommending them to anybody that comes to us and asks us how we're doing this.